Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to verify your identity on LWEX.com on your phone. So first of all, you will have to open your web browser, and in your web browser, you need to simply search for LWEXexchange.com. Now once you are on LWEX, you will have to click on this explore more option, and then you will be landed on this registration page. Now here in the top right hand corner, you will see the login option. So you need to simply press that login option and you need to basically log in into your account. Now there is no as such identity verification available on LWEX. You will have to simply verify your email address in order to basically start using this exchange. So once you enter your email address in this email address section, you need to press this send option and a verification code will be sent on your email address. So you need to open your email, and from there you will have to simply copy the 6-digit verification code and paste it in this verification section. After that, you will be able to start using LWEX exchange, and for withdrawal as well, you don't need to actually verify any identity on this platform. If this video helped you out, consider subscribing this channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.